YouTube, how the heck is it going? So today I need to get some things for that table. I don't know, I'm trying to find some wheels, like ones that swivel. And also I need and I'll show you why in a sneak peek. So the sneak peek is right there. If you want to see what it is, you got to stick to the end of this video. So I'm pulling up now to the good old Harbor Freight. Sorry, I got told not to film in there. I didn't even get to turn the camera on while I was in there. So they told me not to turn on the camera. So I'm gonna put you guys away for a second and try to find what I'm looking for. So they had the thing in stock that I needed. It's right back there. Leave your guesses down in the comment of what you think it could be. It goes with the little surprise that I have for you guys at the end of this video. Let me know your guesses down in the comment what this is and what the other thing is. All right, so I'm back at the house. So I'm gonna move this, get this in place, and I'm gonna start working on the other two things that I need to get done. But yeah, now I gotta try to find a spot to put these tires. So I got the things in the garage. So what I'm going to show you is all part of what I'm doing. So here's the first box. You guys guessed an engine stand? You're correct. The other box over here, which is the 1-ton engine hoist, because I got this little bad boy in. So this isn't going in this is going into another project that I'm going to film and not post for a little while because I want to catch up on videos. I'm tired of doing this record today, videos out tomorrow, and I'm going to get a couple videos back to back to back. So it's a K24A RBB3. This came out of a JDM, what they call the Accord or the TSX over there. And yeah, like I said, that's gonna go into another Honda. I found a red hatchback that I might be picking up. I'm still in works with the guy, still talking to him. He wants a little bit too much for just the shell. It comes with nothing. He wants 1100. It's a clean looking shell. I'd rather see it in person, because if it has the rust like it's there or on the quarter, then I think that's too much. I found a couple other shells that seem like they're in a little bit better condition for going a little bit less. So I'm not sure yet. So it's gonna be the first time I get to use my workbench that I put together. Let's see how this is all put together. Owner's manual. So I'm assuming it should be a straight shot. I've built 2 of these before. So this is everything laid out. I'm gonna follow the manual and we'll go from there. And then Bam, we got an engine stand. So that's one. Now we're gonna start tackling the other. This is the cheapest one that you can get at Harbor Freight. I think it's like only 99 bucks. But I'm okay with it. It's not gonna be a permanent solution here. It's only gonna be temporary. So I don't need it forever. So I went with the cheapest one. So we're gonna start on the next one. So I'm gonna start the engine hoist. We're gonna get that all assembled. But for right now, it's gonna look like this. Then it's gonna turn into looking like a full-blown engine hoist. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. And just like that, it's done. For you, it felt like a second. For me, it felt like 2 hours. There were a couple bolts that I had to go run to the store, like this one and this one. I didn't have the bolts here, or the sockets here. So I had to go find some at the store. Everything was pretty easy to put together, but was still kind of a bitch. It took a while, like I said, it took a while to try to find those bolts, but everything seems to be holding up. For right now, this thing's gonna stay right here until I could move the Honda to move it over, so I could pick this up and bring it over there to put it on the stand. It's gonna stay right where it is. Today's a little bit different than what I normally do. Like I said, I've been trying to like mix things up. I don't want it to only be about this Honda right now. There are the top hats that I'm still waiting on. They're supposed to be here on Saturday. Yeah, Saturday. Then I can finally get this done and moved. I just really want to make the garage into, or this little carport, into more of a garage. I'm tired of feeling like it's just a carport and, you know, just bland. So there was one thing I didn't think about getting these, is these caster wheels hate the P-Rock. I did not think about that until just now when I was trying to move it over. Now I got to figure out what to do with all this P-Rock to make this a lot easier for me to work on. Now with that being said, I'm gonna call it there. It is late, but that is done, that is done, and this is done. If you guys liked anything that you've seen on this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. Adios.